Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you the location of your battery in your 2015 Wrangler. We're going to pop the hood, and on Jeeps there is no inner latch or cable. There's two hood latches on the external part, and then right in the center here there's a lock latch. Just slide it over to the right. Then you have your hood rod. It goes right in this marked hole right there. The battery location is in front of the passenger seat in the engine compartment. You'll see the negative cable and the positive cable. They are red and black. If that wasn't an indication yourself, you can see the posts on the battery. Positive is always the larger post, and negative is the smaller post. To latch the hood on your Jeep, you just line up those two prongs, put it in your palm, and click it over. You've got two hooks on both sides. Just bring it up, line it up.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.